Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ark Survival Evolved run better. First, always update your graphics drivers. This is a crucial step for any game. Next, confirm your PC meets the game's minimum specifications to avoid basic performance issues. Finally, close any programs running in the background, like web browsers or other applications, to free up valuable system resources for Ark. These initial steps can provide a noticeable boost. Now, let's dive into Ark's in-game settings. Start by lowering your screen resolution. Even a small reduction can yield substantial frame rate improvements. Next, significantly reduce shadow quality and distance, as shadows are very demanding. Also, decrease the view distance and terrain detail to lighten the rendering burden. Finally, turn off visual effects like motion blur and bloom for a cleaner, faster experience. For more advanced users, consider implementing specific launch options through Steam. Commands like -SM4 or -D3D10 can force older rendering paths, potentially improving performance on some systems. Additionally, editing the game's configuration files, often found in the Ark installation directory, allows for fine-tuning settings beyond the in-game menu. You can also use console commands during gameplay for temporary adjustments. Finally, let's talk about hardware and maintenance. Installing Ark on a solid-state drive, or SSD, dramatically reduces loading times and can improve asset streaming. Aim for at least 16 GB of RAM for a smoother experience, especially on larger maps. Keep your system well-cooled to prevent performance drops due to overheating. Regularly clean up your hard drive and ensure your operating system is optimized for gaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.